Oh my God.
Crown ng Queen of Barangay 70. So, there you go.
All right. The fourth runner-up will receive sash, crown, teddy bear, chocolates, plus
Hindi ko kabisado. At least 3,000 pesos. 3,000.
will receive 3,000 pesos cash plus, ayun na, okay, crown, okay, teddy bear, chocolates, and sash.
Lasing ka ba?
Nakainom lang. Charing.
Okay.
The fourth runner-up, none other than candidate number... Candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2 is John Velas Reyes Lopez. 835 1015. Congratulations, contestant. Candidate number 2.
Candidate number 2, the fourth runner-up. Candidate number 6.
Diba? Kung pinatagay kita doon. Dalawa na kolono mo.
Congratulations, candidate number 6, Vanessa Raval. Will receive sash, chocolates, teddy bear, plus
Okay? And our second runner-up.
candidate number 3, Karen Montesilio.
It's a beautiful world.
Adrian is my friend at owner yan ng Tejera Salon sa Pasita. Tapat ng winner ay 20,000 pesos. Bayawasan mo muna yung tigwa 1K.
Congratulations, Miss Karen Montesilio.
Our first
Our
runner-up
first runner-up,
will get
Queen of Barangay 70, will receive sash, crown, chocolates, teddy bear, and 15,000 pesos in cash. None other than candidate number... Candidate number 8, Cassie Pakulan.
and of course, worth 8,000
8,000 pesos plus
Yung gift cert natin na malaki nasan? Yung check-in natin na malaki nandiyan sa likod.
yes, plus 20,000 pesos in cash.
20 mil, 20 mil. Pero grabe naman yung pagod natin talaga.
Deserve naman talaga.
Deserve
Deserve
nyo
nyo rin
talaga.
naman talaga lahat.
Tsaka
Diba?
salamat again sa 8 sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Siyempre, pasalamat pa rin tayo ulit sa Pastrana family and of course kay
Papalit mo sa bangko. Kung
Alright.
ikaw talaga. Okay.
Alright, the Queen of Barangay 70 2026 will receive sash, a crown worth 8,000 pesos plus teddy bear and chocolates, will receive 20,000 pesos in cash. Ayan, malinaw na malinaw. Alright, the Queen of Barangay 70 2026, none other than candidate number...
Ano? Sigaw! Bago tayo matuloy, anong number?
Yes! Candidate number 5,
Yes!
Miss ML Lucas.
And will be awarded by our event chairman, Star As Pastrana.
Of candidates tonight, di ba? Thank you so much, English. Loco. And to all Barangay
Ay, just wag
70.
muna bababa.
Thank you so
Magpapapicture
much.
tayo lahat dito sa ano. Sana wag mo kaming makalimutan dito sa Barangay 70. Patiin mo kami ha. Ah yes, tapos patiin mo kami kapag sa mga shoutout mo kami sa Barangay 70. Inutusan. Okay, Queen, ano, tingin na mo kayo sa kanila. Dito tayo, sir. Dito tayo. Dito pa, dito pa.
Okay, thank you so much to all Barangay 70. Happy Fiesta to all of you.